Welcome back everyone. So in today's video, I'll be taking you through some free icon packs that you can use in your design projects. So we have a huge list to cover. So the starting ones are the ones that I love and I prefer using it in my projects. And then we'll be seeing some standard icon packs that are used in the industry. And then a couple of freemium based icon packs. And then a couple of icon search engines. And before we get started, don't worry about the links of this website. All these links are there in our official website, which is designextreme.com. So you can easily go and access them from there. So without any further ado, let's get started. So starting off with the first one, which is Eva Icons, and this is the latest version of Eva Icons, and they basically have 480 beautiful icons, and I really love this set of icons. They are very minimal looking and line based icons. So as you can see, this is a huge collection, and you can also search. There is a filled version, there's an outline version, so these are really cool to use in your projects. You can just click on SVG if you want the SVG and PNG version of it. It's really easy to use and you can download the whole collection as well. So moving on to the next one, which is Ikonate, and this is also a line based icon, and it's very minimal and looks really beautiful. So as you can see, this is also a huge collection, and you also have the option to increase the border width. If you like thicker icons, you can go for that. You can increase the size and see how they look. You can also basically change the rounded corners and all that stuff, right? You can change the color and you can see it in dark mode, how they look, and you can basically download these icons as well. So just select whichever icon that you want and just download. And there's also a search option, which is really helpful. So moving on to the next one, which is Feather Icons. So this is also a similar kind of an icon set, which is line based and very minimal looking ones. So these are really good to use in your projects, and they make your UI look very consistent. So even here, you can basically increase the size of it to have a look. You can change the width, change the color, and you can basically also search. So these are really helpful. And you also have the dark mode and the light mode to check how it looks. So that is all about Feather Icons. And moving on further, we have Remix Icon, which is a really good website that I really use very often. So you can basically search for different icons, and the collection is really huge, which is 2271, which is really amazing. And all of these are free to use, so you can just search for any icon. And the best part about this is it copies the SVG directly to your clipboard, so it makes it using really very easy. For example, just let me show you. So if I want this mail icon, I just have to click on it, and you have this option which says copy SVG. So once you click on that, and you can head towards your design tool. For example, if it is Figma, I can just come on to Figma and just say Control V or Command V, and it pastes the icon there itself, and it's really easy to use. You can change the color, you can do whatever you want because it's an SVG, and that's how easy it is to use Remix Icon, and that is why I usually prefer this. And also they keep updating this list very often, so you can see these are new icons that are updated, so definitely check this out. Now moving on to the next one, which is Ionicons, and this is also an open source list of icons, and this is also, you know, minimal looking icons with line design, and you also have a set of logos here. So these are the logos that you can pick up from, and you also have the filled version, the sharp version, different themes, right? So you can definitely check this out, and it's really good. You can just click on it and you can just copy it or download the SVG version. So moving on to the next one, this is called as Tilda Icons, and they have 700 plus icons in a couple of sets here. So these come in free SVG packs, and you can just download and use it. So as you can see, these are really beautiful line based icons, and they have different sets here, right? So one is for webinar, one is for store, you have for wedding, events, and the collection is really huge. So it's basically 47 sets of icon packs. So definitely check this out. They also have a search option, so that makes it really easy. And now moving on to the next one, this is called as Jam Icons. So they basically have 940 set of icons, and they also have a search, which is really helpful. And you have different sizes here, you have different collections for web, arrow based, player, and a different set of things, right? So you can just check this out, and you can just download it from here or just copy it and you can paste it on Figma. So this is also really helpful. So definitely check this out as well. And moving on to the next one, which is IconSVG.xyz. So this is also a good collection of, you know, minimal looking icons, and the best part is you also get the code here, so you can just download the SVG code and put it if you're working on a web-based project, and you can just customize it here as well. So just change the size, the stroke of the icon. If you wanted rounded corners, you can do that as well. So once you finish customizing it, even the color you can change, and you can just copy the SVG code and use it, or you can just download it. It just gets downloaded, right? So that is how you can use this. And you also have brand logos. So if you're looking for brand logos, we have the social media icons and all here. You also have a search, which is again a plus point here. Now moving on to the next one. So this is a bit of a unique thing. So you don't find icons here. You basically have, you know, popular brand icons or say logos as such. So you can download download, logos of 1932 companies here. So I think we definitely come across a situation where we need the logo of the company, right? So instead of using a PNG or a low quality logo, you can come here and just download and use the high quality version. So you basically have different logos here. Let's say for YouTube. So in YouTube itself, you have all the categories here. So YouTube Music, YouTube Gaming, YouTube Studio. So everything comes under this collection. Even Adobe. So Adobe XD is also there. You have all these icons, right? So the collection is really huge and they are free to use. So definitely check this out. And then moving on to some industry standards that I use. So I don't actually prefer this one, which is material icons, but these are used by a lot of people in the industry, and I kind of don't prefer this, but a lot of people use this and it's really a good collection, right? So they basically have 1000 plus icons here in different themes. So you have the outline version, you have the rounded version and the two-tone version, which was quite popular, and then you have the sharp version. So all these are available, you can check it out. And now moving on to the next one, which is kind of a freemium version, right? You also have the premium. So this is LordIcons, and the best part about this is it is animated, right? And who doesn't love animated icons? And as you can see here, this pizza here, you have the cheese melting out, and then you have this newspaper rolling. So it really looks cool, and they have different collections, right? Even they have shown some examples here, so how they can be used. So you can use it in the footer icons, right? And you have this micro interaction, which really makes the app look delightful for the user. So you basically have 260 free icons, and then you have a set of premium icons. So this is a good collection to get started with animated icons. So moving on to the next one, we basically have line icons, which is a very trusted set of icon pack, right? So you can see these top companies using this set of icons. So they have the free pack, which is a huge collection, and then you also have the pro version. So you can go ahead and explore the icons right here. You can search for them, you can customize it, and you have all the categories. So this is a huge list of categories, so that is why it's very widely used as well. And now finally moving on to the search engine that I mentioned, right? So the Noun Project is a really huge collection, and as you can see, they have 3 million icons, and that's really huge. You can find icon packs here, or just search for icons. Like if you're creating your own icon pack and you want to take an inspiration of an icon, you can come here and search. So this is a huge collection, definitely check this out. They have free icon packs as well. And then finally moving on to flat icons, I'm pretty sure most of the designers might have come across this site. So even when I started designing, this was one of the main sites that I came to. But one thing is, don't come here and search for icons one by one and use it in your project. So that is one mistake which every beginner designer makes. Even I did it, right? So I went to Google and I just searched for homeicon.png, or then again come back, do search icon.png and use it. So that is not how you use icons in your project. So make sure you stick to one icon pack set and then try to use it so that there's consistency and the UI looks balanced. So this is also a huge collection, right? So you can see here they have 4.7 million icons, and that's really huge. If you want to search any icon or take inspiration, right, you can just come here and search. And they also have free icon packs, which is really good. So definitely check this out as well. And as I mentioned, if you want the links of these websites, don't worry, just go on to our website, which is designextreme.com, and on the left side you have this option called as icon categories, and here you'll find the websites that I've shown here and also a couple of extra ones. So definitely check that out there. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this informative and helpful. Thanks for watching.